Hi, these are Skullcandy headphones. There's two of them. Also a Skullcandy headphone case. The way I got them is I had to make a return. I had the Skullcandy Crusher Player 720 headphones, and they were Crusher headphones, which means you could feel the bass in the headphones, but the problem was the vibration wasn't equal. And also the headband broke, so I had to return those. Before then, I had the Skullcandy Method 360 ANC earbuds, and those were nice. They sounded good, but the problem was they started literally falling apart. And around that time, I'm not sure when, I had a pair of Sony headphones, and the headband on those headphones broke. And I tried contacting Sony. Well, I did contact Sony, and they said that it wasn't covered by their warranty, which is, I think, kind of silly because the headband, I'm thinking, is the thing that's most likely going to break first. So I don't suggest buying headphones from Sony because even with the extended warranty, it might not be covered if the headband breaks. The one thing I would say all three have in common is they started falling apart. I think if you're going to, I think Skullcandy and Sony and other companies need to start making their headphone and earbuds sturdier and stronger, so that way people don't have to return them, and also they have to make sure that you can return them, like in the case of the Sony headphone. I do suggest if you buy the Skullcandy headphones or earbuds, make sure to buy the extended warranty. They're good about the warranty, but you do have to pay for the shipping to send it back. So it's time to open up the Skullcandy headphones. Okay, here we go.
I hope it sounds like a good idea.
Yep, I've never had these headphones before. These are both Skullcandy, like I said before, and this is Skullcandy headphone case.
Yep.
So we'll start with this one here. Oh, okay. This is the Skullcandy Icon ANC. And let's see. ANC stands for, I forgot what that stands for. Okay, so ANC stands for active noise canceling, which I guess makes it so the headphones use the active noise canceling, and it makes it so you don't hear outside noises or noises around you.
Good, so I can start yelling at him and using profanity and you not know about it.
What?
Good.
What? I can't hear you. Next.
Sounds good.
Here we go. Well, I'll open up the case first before the other headphone. Okay, so here we go. Here's my handy dandy scissors. Okay, here's the case. See the Skullcandy logo on there?
Yes.
Okay.
Bonehead.
Bonehead. Here we go.
And the case is nothing.
And the case is just a case. It's okay. What do you think, Billy? Touch it.
No. Okay. It's all right. I mean,
Yeah,
it's a case.
case.
Pretty much, yes.
Okay, and finally we have this one, which, wow, that's not a good sign, is it, Billy?
No, not really.
Yeah, that's packaged really bad. I don't think I did that. I'm pretty sure it came that way.
I just stepped on it a few times.
Yeah. So these are the Crusher ANC 2. We know already that ANC stands for active noise canceling, so it's going to get rid of noise. And like I said from earlier, the Crusher, you actually feel the vibration of the music, which is a really weird experience, but it's also really cool. I mean, after experiencing the Crusher thing, you don't really want to use headphones that don't have it. This one, the Icon doesn't have Crusher, so it's just there's no vibration.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, this one's gonna be cool. I hope that it's balanced and it's balanced on both sides of the ears, because I mean, I'm probably not gonna return it if it's not. Maybe they're made that way if it's not. So okay, so I'm gonna open these up, and then we'll come back and we'll see what how well they work to listen to.
Sounds good.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the Icon ANC.
Ooh.
Unbox those. Haha.
Sounds like a good idea. More ways than one.
Let's see how they look. Here we go. Ooh. really look like a pouch. And there's some instructions. Okay, so Icon ANC
Yes.
and instructions.
Yep.
Okay. Next we have the user guide. More instructions.
Ooh. Yes, because I don't know how to use a pair of headphones.
Then we have a cord.
And it
end
is
USB-C. And I'm not sure what that end is.
Yep, it's USB-C.
What's this end?
That goes into the headphones.
Oh, okay. Maybe it does. Yeah.
Oh, crap, because again. My
Then we
bad.
got that's called jack, right?
Yes.
Okay. And that goes if you're trying to hook it into something that has a jack
Yep.
port. Okay. Next we have. Oh, here we go. Here are the headphones themselves. A nice little bag here.
You've got baggage.
I got baggage. They feel nice. Okay, there they are. Opening them up for the first time.
Drum roll, please.
And I'm guessing this comes off right here. I don't want to take it off if I'm not supposed to. Okay.
I guess you did.
I guess it has to. A little piece of it right there that comes off. And I'm going to put it on my head, see how it feels.
Ready to get ahead in life.
Feels nice. Feels good. So Billy's going to try them on and give his impressions or impression.
What?
Do you like the feel? Do they feel sturdy?
What?
Ha ha ha. We haven't used the noise canceling yet.
Yeah, okay.
What do you think, Billy?
Feels nice.
Cool. Okay. Well, next is the Crusher ANC 2, and then we'll see how they sound.
Sounds good. I hope.
Well, the headphones came with this kind of weird cord. Billy and I weren't sure what it was, so we looked it up. It's called a USB Slim or USB A, and on the other end it's a USB C. Well, it's time for the Crusher ANC 2. I can open it here. There we go. And first we have, I bet you we have an instruction card. There we go. The Crusher ANC 2 instruction card.
Ooh, artist card is goodness.
Next we have, ooh, nice little blue bag there.
Yeah, you got blue baggage.
Now, this is weird. This time it came with a USB-C end, but an HDMI end instead of that really weird USB-A thing.
Let me see. Turn around. Oh, that's normal. That's normally how it goes.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's the normal thing you would get.
Yeah.
And then the USB-C.
Yeah. Weird.
And then we got the cord just like the other cord.
The audio jack.
Mm-hmm. And we've got
Come on, Grandpa. Don't hurt yourself.
instructions.
Yes.
And finally, nice little blue bag here.
No comment.
Okay. Oh, you got. Oh my gosh! It actually has
a clip.
Well, it's not a lock. You know what I mean, though.
It's a clip. Huh?
Yeah. And ooh, nice blue. Nice blue.
I'm more of a black headphone kind of guy, but that's just me.
Here we go. Ooh, they feel nice, but I did notice something right away. They seem like they might be flimsy right here. See that part?
Yep, the rotator thing, yeah.
Yeah, and I hope that they don't break. I really hope they don't break eventually. Whew. Okay, so Billy, you're going to wear them. Tell me what you think. What do you think, Billy?
Yeah, feels all right.
Do you think they feel flimsy on those ends?
It kind of does, yeah.
Yeah, I hope they don't break.
Yep, especially because it's a little heavier than I'm used to, too.
So next we're going to try them out. Okay, so we're testing the headphones with the song Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. We can hear it through the headphones, so we know it's working, but I have not actually put them on my head to listen to the song yet. So I'm going to do that right now. They sound really good. I am impressed, and I do recommend. Next, Billy's gonna listen to him and tell us what he thinks. He's enjoying that.
Pretty good. Very good.
Okay, so we were going to test out the ANC, the active noise cancellation, but we found out that when you turn it on, it automatically is in ANC to begin with. So when we were using the headphone, it was in ANC mode already. Okay, so we're gonna try the ANC again, and I'm gonna put the headphones on, and Billy's gonna try talking to me while I'm listening to the music and see how well it keeps out his voice.
Hey, Steve. Steve. Well, I guess it proves. It works.
I would say very good. I couldn't hear what you were saying very much. Okay, so Billy and I are going to test the Crusher ANC2s. They should already have the Crusher mode and also the ANC mode already on. I'm going to use them with a song called Thieves by Ministry, so there's going to be a lot of bass. So we're going to see how it is. And remember, the other Crushers I had to return because the Crusher bass part wasn't equal, so I'm interested to see how equal this one is. Well, I'm not getting much feedback. Oh, there we go. Okay, so my thoughts are, it still doesn't seem exactly equal. So maybe it's just me. But this sounds more equal than the last pair seemed to me. So I'll have to test them out. The wheel for the Crusher base to go up and down, I would figure there would be a stopping point, so that way you would know you're at full or at the minimum. But it just keeps going. So I don't know about that. Okay, so Billy's gonna try them out.
Cool. I feel it.
Yeah, you can definitely feel it.
Yep.
Did you feel like? Try it again. Tell me if you think it feels equal on both sides.
It felt equal to me.
It felt equal to you?
Yeah.
Okay, then maybe it's just me.
Yeah.
Thanks, Billy.
Okay.
So Billy suggested for fun, since the Crushers are meant for heavy bass, what would they be like with something that didn't have a lot of bass, such as classical music?
Ba, 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 ba.
So here we go. Okay, the classical music sounds really nice, and there is bass in classical music, but it's not really overpowering, so it's a little more subtle, but it feels good when you're listening to it. So it's Billy's turn. He's happy. He's enjoying that. Nice, Billy. What do you think?
Nice.
Cool. So, Billy, what are your final thoughts on the headphones and the headphone case?
Well, they sound pretty good to me, but will they stand the test of time?
I agree. So, these are my final thoughts. I like the case. It's a good case. I like both of the headphones. I think they sound very good. I like the Crusher bass. Uh, it felt a little uneven to me, just a little bit, but Billy didn't think so, so it just might be in my head. I am worried. I think these are going to be fine for a while. The build's really good, the build quality, and it's got these little stretchy things to make it so it doesn't it can take a little bit of strain. But these, they're nice, but if I push too hard on this or this, they're breaking. So we'll have to see how sturdy they are and how they hold up. And I might be doing a video about them later on. So thank you all for watching. Have a good day.
This is Business Steve sounding off.